With a well-detailed CV, strong technical skills, and effective interview preparation, you can land your rewarding tech job in 2024. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Promise AK, and on this channel we talk about data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and other technological advancement. If this is your first time seeing me or coming across my content, you're welcome to this community. Click on the subscribe button to be part of this community and on the notification bell so you'll be alerted whenever I post any new video. The technology industry is rapidly evolving. Also, landing a job can be both challenging and rewarding. In this video, I'll guide you through 7 steps to secure a data related job in 2024, from acquiring the essential skills to acing interviews. The first step is to acquire the necessary skills. This cannot be overemphasized. Data analysis roles require proficiency in tools such as Excel, SQL, Power BI, or Tableau. Start by mastering the skills through online courses, bootcamp, or self-paced learning. There are plenty of resources available, from free tutorials to paid programs, to help you become proficient in these areas. Step 2. Build a portfolio. Employers want to see real-world examples of your data analysis skills. So if you've not worked with a data-related project before, one way to get experience is to work on personal project or real-world project and contribute to open source projects or initiatives. Create a portfolio showcasing your projects, detailing the problems you solved, the methods you used, and the insights you gain from your analysis. This would demonstrate your practical experience and set you apart from other candidates. Contributing to open source projects is also very important. It is about collaborating with developers worldwide to improve and build upon existing softwares. It's about sharing your knowledge, your skills, creativity with the global community. In simple terms, open source projects are source codes that is made available to the public to view, use, modify, and distribute under permissive license. I plan to make a detailed video on contributing to open source initiative, what they are and how you can contribute to open source initiatives, so watch out for that video. The third step is to network within the data community. Attend data events, join online forums, and connect with professionals on platforms such as LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a very good professional platform. Build relationships. Building relationships can lead to valuable job opportunities and insights into the industry. The fourth step is to search for roles. There are different job posting platforms depending on the country you are located. LinkedIn is a good example. Search for the roles that suits your needs. Look out for the job descriptions and technical requirements to develop your skills in these areas. Also, if you're just starting out and you're not sure on the skills or the technical skills to go for or to learn, you could start by searching for the roles. Go online, search for roles you're interested in, look out for their job descriptions, and look out for the skills or the technical skills or the technical requirements for those roles. So that will be a good pointer for the kind of skills you want to learn, the software. So you want to know what's the programming language you want to learn, what are the tools you want to learn how to use. Just go by searching on this job platform, seeing common tools or skills listed on this job descriptions. That will be a pointer for the tools to start with. The fifth step is to write a compelling CV or cover letter. Highlight your technical skills, relevant experience, and any certifications or projects that demonstrate your expertise in data analysis. Your CV should be quantitative and result oriented and not activity based. Keep your CV to a maximum of 2 pages, 1 pages preferably. Also, tailor your CVs to the roles you are applying for. Cover letter. This is where you highlight details not listed or stated in your CV. This is where you want to talk about the roles you are applying for, your motivation to applying for that role, and your motivation to applying for the companies. Here you want to say, how does your goal align with the goals of the companies? What are the missions or what are the vision for the company that you think aligns to yours. Also, you want to talk about more details on the project you've done. This is just basically selling yourself. So this is the first resources that the company will see about you, your CV and your cover letter. So you want to put your best foot forward. I also recommend keeping your cover letter to a maximum of 1 page, and ensure you submit cover letter with your applications, not only CV. Even if it is not stated as compulsory, try to always submit a cover letter with your CV. In coming videos, I will cover how to write good CV for a data related role, and maybe also talk about cover letters there, so watch out for that video. The 6th step is to actually apply for this role. Do not let inferiority complex hinder you from applying. Even though you don't feel you have enough experience or the skill, still apply and learn the skills later. A lot of times you see people asking for 10 years of experience. Sometimes these are not practical, so you should also always give your shot. If you think you have what it takes to apply for the role, always apply. Even when you've gotten lots of rejection, don't let that stop you from applying. Still apply. All you need is just 1 yes, irrespective of the number of no's you get. So keep applying. Don't let rejection emails stop you. Rejection doesn't mean you don't have what it takes. It just means that the companies, they don't have the eyes to see what you have to offer. So don't let that hinder you from applying. The 7th step is to prepare for interview. Research the company and the role, and be ready to discuss your experience, your problem solving abilities, and how you've applied data analysis techniques to real world problems or scenarios. Even if you don't have previous experience, your portfolio, your project you've done could be a good talking point. During the interview, demonstrate your technical skills, your communication ability, and passion for data analysis. Practice answering some common interview questions. Practice live coding or technical interview, and be prepared to talk about your projects or any experiences you may have in the past. With a well-detailed CV, strong technical skills, and effective interview preparation, you can land your rewarding tech job in 2024. So now go polish your CV, sharpen your skills, and embark on your career journey with confidence. Bye. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.